Hello and welcome back to Eagles FS. In today's episode, I will teach you how you can make money daily and easily. Trading daily, bullish, stroke, bearish, engulfing candle. But the truth is that there's a rule behind this strategy. You will use it in a trending market, number one. Secondly, in a breakout of structure. So, in a breakout of, say, support or resistance level. So, these are the two places you can trade this strategy and the effectiveness is very high. So before we go to the drawing board, I will encourage you, if your first time of coming to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Kindly put up the notification bell so that you know whenever I drop a new content. The drawing board. So as I say, if you look at my drawing board now, you notice that we have a scenario. We have a bearish scenario and a what? A bullish scenario. On my left hand side is a bearish scenario. So let's start with the bearish scenario. How are we going to take this trade? Well, first of all, come to a trending market in a bearish direction. You can see my cursor and arrow. This place now is bearish because the market started moving from here, created a lower low and a lower high, another lower low and a lower high, a lower low and a lower high. So in this type of market, the market is bearish. So what do we need to look out for in this type of market? All we need to look out for is to go to our daily time frame, make sure that the trend is bearish. And as you can see, this candle, each candle represents daily candle close. We have about 4 candles here. This one is a daily candle close, bearish. Another daily candle close, bearish. And on this third day, there is a bullish candle. This is the green candle, but it's not engulfing any candle. It's a bullish candle and they close here. So the next day, which is the fourth day, another bearish candle happened. And this bearish candle is bearish engulfing candle. Our rule says trading this thing daily on a bearish engulfing candle or bullish engulfing candle. So you notice that this candle now is a bearish engulfing candle because it covers this green candle. So our point of interest is this region. Our point of interest is from this peak of this green candle. Let me show you clearly. I want you to pay attention. This thing will change your life. If you are not profitable in this industry, try this approach. Practice it. See your point of interest from this week. You see my cursor now. From this week of this green daily candle to the body of this daily candle. This is your point of interest. For what? For a sell. So let's assume this, you saw this thing happen on a Monday. You will not trade that Monday. Then on Tuesday, see what you will do. Come and mark this zone. Use this thing to mark your zone. This is your zone. What are you expecting? You know this price close here. So you're expecting price to come back in a smaller time frame. Let price move from here and trade into this zone. Okay? Then that's where you take your entry with confirmation. So see what will happen. Whenever you see this thing, go to your 5 minutes time frame. Move down to 5 minutes time frame. Okay? That's your smaller time frame. It's either use 5 minutes time frame or 1 minute time frame. These are the two time frame I recommend you trading this strategy. Okay. So when you come to this 5 minutes time frame, look for a change in character or market structure shift towards downwards as market is moving up, moving up, moving up. And you notice that at a point, a lower high is broken, which shows that the overall trend with the smaller time frame is they want to align to each other. That means the 5 minutes time frame want to align with the overall direction of the trend. Immediately this thing happen, your entry point now is what? Now you have known your confirmation. Your confirmation is on a 5 minutes time frame. Look for what? A market structure shift. When market will come and close below the lower high. the higher low. Sorry, my brother. When market will do what? Close below the lower high. Then look for what? A market structure shift. Okay. Once market structure shift happen, that is their confirmation. Now your entry. What are your entry? Your entry point is fair value gap first. That will be your entry point. Then if there's no fair value gap, okay, then you use other block. So this is your entry point and this is your entry confirmation. Let me repeat. Your entry confirmation is go to 5 minutes time frame or a minute time frame. Look for market structure shift. Whenever a market structure shift happen, then allow market to return back to where your fair value gap or your other block. That's when you do what? You enter. So you have seen your confirmation and your entry. Then your stop loss will be above that zone. In your 5 minutes time frame, your stop loss will be above this zone. Okay? This is your stop loss. And you'll take profit. I will advise you to take 1:2. This trade, so far that I've been doing it, it can give you 1:4, 1:5. But I advise you 1:2. Risk 1% of your account. Target 2% of your account. Once you get it, allow it. Then look for another pair and next day or next 2 days or next 3 days. That's why those of you that are in my free Telegram channel, you notice that I send signal there maybe once or twice a week because I wait for this thing to happen. This thing can happen in 2 days or in 3 days, but it happens in every other pairs. Okay, so this is bearish scenario. So, but for a bullish scenario, let's come to this side, our right hand side. So this is a bullish scenario. The price will be moving up. This is first day, price is moving up. This is second day, price is moving up. And third day, red candle form, bearish red candle form on the third day. Then on the fourth day, when you come and notice that another bullish candle has formed, and this time around is the bullish engulfing candle, engulfing this red candle, then come and mark this zone. That is our point of interest. Use whatever you like to highlight your zone, mark it. From the wick of the candle to the body of the candle is what our point of interest. From the wick of this red candle to the body of it, you can see it. From the wick here to this body here is our point of interest. Okay, so allow price to return back to our point of interest. That means allow price to return back the next day. Allow price to return back to this point of interest. When price return back to this point of interest, go down to your 5 minutes time frame. Okay, look for a market structure shift on a 5 minutes time frame. If you don't see it on a 5 minutes time frame, go to 1 minute time frame. Look for what? Market structure shift. After you see a market structure shift there, allow price to return back to where your fair value gap or your other block. These are our entry criterias, confirmations. Okay, so this is how the thing will look on a 5 minutes time frame. On a 5 minutes time frame, it will look like this. Price will return back here. Okay, this is our market structure shift now. This is where this structure shifted when it came down here and moved here. You can see it. It has closed above this lower high. This is a market structure shift. Then allow price to return back to your fair value gap. If there's no fair value gap, then use other block. So these are entry confirmation. Then where do you put your stop loss? Our stop loss will be somewhere below the 5 minute zone or your 1 minute zone, depending on where you see the market structure. Well, it can happen in 5 minutes, it can happen in 1 minute. Below here is your stop loss. Okay, and where is your take profit? Our take profit is usually 1:2. 1% of your account. Once you get 2% of your account, you leave the market. You are not the owner of this market. Okay, so my brothers, let's go to chart and see these things happen in reality. So we are using GBP USD. as our case scenario. I'll be very fast so that this video won't be long. So notice that on this day, you see this red candle. This red candle close as bearish engulfing candle, okay? Engulfing this green candle. So we'll come here and mark it. We'll put that's our point of interest. We'll mark it. Okay, that's our point of interest. So this will happen. This will happen. See the red candle I'm talking about. I hope you can see it. This red candle I'm talking about. This red candle is bearish engulfing candle. So when this will happen on Monday. Today is Wednesday. So on Tuesday, being yesterday, what you should do is to do what? Go down to 5 minutes time frame and look for this date, this place that you mark in a 5 minutes time frame. So let's go to 5 minutes time frame. Tuesday, this is 5 minutes time frame. Okay, in 5 minutes time frame, this is that our area of interest. You can see the black line that will mark. This area zone is our area of interest. But you notice that there's the structure in this 5 minutes time frame is not well to enable you to take a proper decision. So let's use a minute time frame and see how you look in 1 minute time frame. Remember on 22nd. 22nd. Okay. So this 22nd. Yes. Fine. So this 22nd. You can see it's 22nd. So our interest is to one price come to this zone. Let us have a shift in market structure. That is the only interest we have. And now market has come to this zone. So let us go. Remember, you must know how to do what? Identify market structure shift. Okay, for you to excel. So market was moving in this direction. Come here and put a lower high and put up a higher high and put up a higher low and put up a higher high and put up a higher low, put up another higher high, and boom, this is a market structure shift. You can see it. Why is it market structure shift? Because this higher low was taken out. That's what I was telling you. Immediately this place was breached. Now go back, allow price to return back to where I said fair value gap or other block. So in this, let's look for fair value gap and other block here. See our fair value gap. I want to show you these things. I want everybody to be profitable. See our fair value gap between this green candle and this green candle is our fair value gap. We extend it. Okay, let's extend it more. I hope you are seeing our fair value gap. This is our fair value gap now. And where is our other block? Our other block is here. Let me change it to another color. So this is our other block. So but the as SMC trader, the institutional reference point, okay, in chronological order, fair value gap comes before other block. So that's the reason I always advise you to take your trades using fair value gap. Unless in a scenario you don't have fair value gap, that's when you will now use other block. For example, if there's no fair value gap here, then I will take this trade using other block. So what you will do is immediately price coming here, you can use pending order, you can use market execution. Once you notice that price has entered this zone, you sell. It's very simple. Once price entered this zone, and when so another thing is when fair value gap is big like this one, okay, we call it consequence encroachment. When fair value gap is big like this, use 50% of this fair value gap to put your order, execute your trade. So 50% of it somewhere here. We'll put it here, okay, and put our already at this zone already. You can see at this zone now, this is giving us 4:2. If you risk 1% of our account, you are making 4.2%. And market is still dropping. Market is still dropping. Okay. So let me extend it and see how many percent this thing would have given. But my advice is 1:2. Please don't be greedy. See it here, 1:2 at this zone. At this zone self, you're out of the market. 1:2. But the thing is giving more than that. So this thing happen in every pair. I will tell you for free. I have been trying this thing in every other pair. For those of you that are following me on Facebook, all these things I drop it on the Facebook every now and then. So, ladies and gentlemen, my viewers, my returning subscribers, this is how I want you guys to be making money on forex trading. Pay attention to this. Please, I will urge you to go and practice this thing. Go and practice it. Look for a trending market. Practice this thing. Then drop your comment in your comment section. Tell me your observations. Then I would like to hear from you if this thing is working for you or not. I've been trying this in every other pair. You can try it. GBP USD, Euro USD, GBP JPY, gold, any pair that you love. Try this. I'm giving you this now free of charge. If you have any challenge, let me know. So if you are a returning subscriber, I thank you for watching this video. Kindly share this video so that we go to other people. There are people that need this content, but they are not seeing it. And also put up your notification bell. That place that you subscribe, there's a drop down there. When you click it, you will see personalized. Click on that personalized. If you click on that personalized, anytime I drop video, you'll be the first that will receive that video and take advantage of the market. Okay? But if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, this is your first time seeing my video, please subscribe to my channel. I want this channel to grow so that many people will take advantage of these free lectures. So see you guys in my next episode. Cheers.